Hi guys, I know I'm a hot mess right now, don't really care, working around the place. I want to show you my crazy Redneck washing machine. So let me flip this around, I'm going to show you this. Okay, so I've got it not real full with water there. I use these sheets in it because they melt really quick, like almost as soon as you get your water in there, poof. So this bucket right here has holes all the way around it, okay, even on the bottom. And I'm going to put it in here. And yes, it's a little dirty, but look, all the water squishes in. I don't know if you can see that? All that water squishes in. And then this part also has holes in it. And I have to do laundry. I'm flat broke, so I can't go to the laundromat. And what I'm going to do is use my Redneck washing machine and show you guys how it works. So, got my clothes in there. Get them all worked around. Kind of circle them like you normally do with a washing machine. Yes, the top's dirty because it's sat outside. It's been inside. Alright, so now I'm going to scoot it over here. And I don't know where I'm going to put the phone. I'll figure out. Alright. So, I don't know. You guys can see me right there. Looks like you might be able to. Oh, the joys of trying to show you guys how I'm living. Okay. So, off grid. You don't always get the choice. I'm gonna take this part off for now. It's gonna be troublesome. Don't always get the choice to go to a laundromat when money is super tight. Shake up my water a little bit. I learned this one from a book called The Amish Ways. And you notice my arm is still all wrapped up. It's not in a good spot, that's for sure. I'm definitely overworking it. This is sucking in the water to help with the clothes. I'm gonna do this left-handed. This could almost be perverted to somebody, you know what? Please don't think of bad thoughts. God will get you for it. It's a shame that my mind went there, but I know people well enough to know that they're going to come up with some dirty, crazy thoughts on it. Okay. I think I'd be better off. Oh yeah. You should see how dirty this water is. It works. Yes, sirree, Bob, it does. Run them through here like this for a minute. Splashing myself. Hey, now. Toss them back over here. Toss them back in. Do a little more plunging. And then I'll see if there's spots I need to scrub. Wring them out and get them hung. And then I'll do my jeans. part that I like about this is when you want to go rinse these out, excuse me, when you want to go wring them out, you typically just spin this. You dump all the water, you spin it around. But I need this water for my jeans, so I'm not going to show you that part. I'm just going to hand wring these, get them on the line, and hopefully next week I can afford to actually go to the laundromat, because they just feel cleaner that way. And I'm sure this works very well. I did not bring anything, of course, to put them in. One of these days I'll grow a brain. Anyhow, that's how I'm doing laundry, guys.